Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope all of you are doing great. In this video, I am about to solve O-level additional mathematics from this book, chapter 3. And this chapter is about indices, charts and logarithms. So let's get started with solving question 1. To solve the following equations. Here question A, we have 3 power x is equal to 81. First, we must need to know that to solve this types of problem, we need to equalize the bases from the both sides. So when the bases from both sides will be equal, then power must be equal. For example, if we have a power m is equal to a power n, then we can write m is equal to n. So to solve this types of problem, we will do the similar things again and again. So let's solve question A. Here we have 3 power x is equal to 81. So instead of 81, we can write 3 power 4. As we know, 3 power 4, it will be 81. Then we can write here 3 power 4. Since the bases from both sides are equal and that is 3, then we can write power will be equal, that is x is equal to 4. So our answer will be 4. So let's go to solve question B. Here we have 5 power x and this side we have 125. So we can write 5 power x is equal to, as we know, 125 is equal to 5 power 3. So this side we can write 5 power 3. So when the bases are same from both sides, then we can write the power also equal, and that is x is equal to 3. And that is our answer. So to solve question C, here we have 32 power x is equal to 8. So instead of 32, we can write 2 power 5, and instead of 8, we can write 2 power 3. So we can write here 2 power 5, and we have x also in power, and that side we can write 2 power 3. So from both sides we have same basis, then we can write power must be equal, and that is 5x is equal to 3. So we can write x is equal to 3 over 5, and that is our answer. So let's go to solve question D. This question we have 2 power x is equal to 1 over 8. So instead of 1 over 8, we can write it 8 inverse 1. Here we have 2 power x, and instead of 8, we can write 2 power 3, and we have minus 1 here. So here we can write when the bases are same from both sides, then we can write x is equal to minus 3, and this is our answer. Now come to solve question E. Here question E, we have 16 power x is equal to 1 over 2. So instead of 16, we can write 2 power 4, and we have x in power also. And instead of 1 over 2, we can write it 2 inverse 1. So from both sides, we have same bases. So we can write 4x is equal to minus 1. And finally, we can write x is equal to minus 1 over 4. And this is our final answer. Question F. Here we have 7 power x, and this side we have 149, 1 over 149. So instead of 49 we can write 7 square. So we can write it 7 power x is equal to 7 inverse 2. So here from both sides we have same bases, then you can write x is equal to minus 2, and this is our answer. Here question G, we have 5x power 5 power x is equal to 1. So we can write it 5 power x, and we know 5 power 0 it will be 1. Since we know power 0 from any number or anything, it will make 1. It will be 1. Then we can write x is equal to 0. Here we have question H, and it has given 3 power 4x is equal to 27x plus 3. So we can write 3 power 4x, and that side we know 3 cube is equal to 27. So instead of 27 we can write 3 power 3, and we also have the power x plus 3. So here from both sides the bases are similar, then we can write the power must be the same. Then we can write 4x is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 3. We can easily find our value from this equation, and we can write 4x is equal to 3x plus 9. So if we take over x from this side to this side, then it will be 4x minus 3x is equal to that side we have 9. So 4x minus 3x it will be x, and that side we have 9. So we have x is equal to 9, and that is our answer. Now come to solve question I. Here we have 4x multiplied by 3 to power 2x is equal to 6. So 4 power x, we can write 4 is equal to 2 square, and we have power x also multiplied by 3 over 2x, and that side we have 6. So 2 power 2x it will be 2 power 2x multiplied by 3 power 2x, and that side we have 6. So then we can write it 2 multiplied by 3 power 2x is equal to 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 it will be 6, and we have power 2x is equal to 6. So when from both sides we have same bases, then we can write power must be same. Then we can write 2x is equal to here 6. We have power 1, then we can write 2x is equal to 1, and finally we can write x is equal to 1 over 2, and this is our answer.